Continental Mills is a manufacturer of dry mix food products. We specialize, we have 4 divisions, retail. We make the Krusteaz brand, which is pancakes, muffins, all kinds of different baking products, and Ghirardelli brownies. We have a large B2B business where we make industrial sides, coatings and breaders, as well as drink mixes. And then we've got a large food service division, cakes, muffins, to all the large food service houses in the country. At Continental Mills, we had a number of supply chain challenges that we have been able to tackle with Logility Voyager Solutions. Really, we wanted to work on improving our S&OP process in general by improving our forecasting, our forecast accuracy, getting a better handle on our supply and translating our demand into a more consistent supply plan, as well as driving inventory out of our network. We've had great success with the demand planning by leveraging the statistical forecasts and taking forecast error out of the system. We've had great success with the supply planning module, giving us a more consistent long-range plan that we can use to plan our operations around. And the inventory planning module has helped us get a handle on our safety stocks. We still have a long way to go. The culture of our company is one of service. And that is truly the one that, when the president of the company walks through the office and he stops in my office, the first thing he asks about is how are we doing from a service perspective. So that is really, everything kind of falls behind that one metric. And they're willing to invest and do what it takes to maintain that service. So as long as that service level number is good, everybody's happy. And then we start talking about varying degrees of what else is important. And we're trying to drive a little more metrics-based culture. And having the data available to us through Logility has improved our transition towards a more metrics-based culture. The results that we've achieved using the Logility Voyager Solutions are a significant improvement in our turns, inventory, 20 to 25% by division, which has really enabled us to continue to grow within our current footprint. We've seen significant service improvements by having the right inventory in the right place at the right time. It seems very simple, a little bit more complex than that when you're dealing with a pretty complex manufacturing footprint. We've seen forecast accuracy improvements of 40 to 50% in our food service division, about 25% in our retail division, by utilizing the statistical forecasting tools that demand planning provides, and really leveraging those tools across the organization towards more of an exception-based forecast management process. And kind of a secondary improvement has been just the overall visibility of our entire supply chain in one system. We can see everything from demand to the customer orders going out, and can manage all that. You can manage the constraints that we have, and the visibility of that has been, it's not something you can write a check against, but has provided us with the information and the data that we need to make quality strategic decisions as we continue to grow. The relationship with Continental Mills and Logility has been fantastic. There's been a great cultural fit, kind of small company, grown up in the marketplace, similar styles, and the people that we've been able to partner with on all of our projects have really meshed well with the culture that we have at Continental Mills. They've been responsive and dedicated to delivering not a canned solution, but a solution that meets the needs of our company, that Continental Mills can really use and leverage.